Now it's time to get down to business. It's time for you to create your own Google site. We're going to make it very basic just to familiarize yourself with the process and with the product. What you're going to do is you need to make sure that you're in your Drive. You don't see me in my Drive here, or you can be in your email as long as you see this waffle here. So you click there until you find the site's icon. Click on it. It was already in there. Okay, now like in any Google application, you're going to click on the plus sign to create a new site. Guys, okay, so now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to name your site. So you click, okay, so I'm going to call this demo, and then I'm just gonna do maybe space. You can just pick some topic that's very fun or whatever, just to kind of stick to a theme, and you can just kind of play with it. As soon as you click elsewhere, that title will automatically drop down to this location. The next thing I want you to do is you're going to change the header image. So I'm going to click here, and you can either upload from your device or your Drive, or you can click select image. If you click select image, it still gives you the Drive and it's still option, and it still gives you the search, the Google option. So let's just select image. Here's the gallery. Here's a collection of images that Google Sites already has. Here's a nice space. I can use that one, or I could go and I could search a Drive, or maybe my albums, or maybe I can search on Google. So here, let me go to Google. I'm going to type in space, or maybe I could do, well, let's see what we come up with. This also lets you search by color scheme. Ooh, these are nice. So I'm going to click this one. To be specific, I suggest you build your own header banner, just like you did with your, I'm not sure if you did, I'm pretty sure you did, your Bitmoji classroom banner, a Google Classroom banner. So let me see, find one that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Let's try that. So as you can see, it cropped it, auto-populated. I cannot really adjust what I want to see. Okay. Now, also, I don't know if you saw these little stars here. It adjusts and makes the image dimmer so that the text stands out more. So if I were to undo it, if I wanted to, I could. It just makes it brighter. So here I'm going to title it Space. It automatically defaulted to title, but if I want to change the font size, I can. I can make it bold, italics. I can change the orientation. Inside that text box, I can create a link if I want to, or just clear the formatting, or I can delete. So that's that. Now I want you to select a theme. Click on themes here, and you're going to click which theme you want. So right now I have simple. I'm going to keep it on simple, but if you peruse through these list of themes, you pick what you want. And then as you can see, you can pick what color you want. You can even make up your own. Now this color will apply to the shading of the background of maybe a text box, maybe the text, like as the text gets smaller and smaller, the color will change as well. So like if you go from title to header to subheader, to differentiate between the different text, it will change the color as well. So I'm going to stick with simple, and I like there's some of these purple undertones, this maroon undertones, so I'll stick with that. And you'll see later on how you'll see that. You can even see how this changed a little bit. I think it even changes the filter. No, it didn't. I wonder if it did.